Google just released an AI tool that can perfectly place a hat on someone's head, make them ride a motorcycle through a desert, and even bring old black and white photos back to life with stunning colors. And here's the best part. It's completely free to use right now. Hey everyone, and welcome back to SoftwareHope. I'm absolutely excited to share this with you today because Google has just dropped something that could completely change how we think about photo editing forever. If you're as fascinated by cutting-edge AI tools as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to SoftwareHope so you never miss the latest tech breakthroughs we cover here. Get ready to meet Nano Banana, and no, that's not a joke name. This is Google's code name for their revolutionary new image editing model that's now available in the Gemini app. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this entire video. As you can see from Google's official blog announcement, image editing capabilities in Gemini have just received a massive, game-changing upgrade. But here's what really caught my attention and should get you excited too. Now let's talk about why this isn't just marketing hype. There's an official leaderboard called the Image Edit Arena that ranks image models from around the world based on their performance and capabilities. And right now, as we speak, Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview, that's the official name for Nano Banana, is sitting pretty at #1 in the world. Not second, not third, but #1. But here's what's even more impressive. Look at that score difference. It's not just barely beating the competition, it's absolutely blowing everyone else out of the water. We're talking about a significant performance gap that shows just how advanced this technology really is. Now, I know you're probably thinking, this sounds amazing, but how do I actually get my hands on this? Well, here's the great news. There are two fantastic ways to start using this powerful tool right now, and both of them are completely free. Let me walk you through both options so you can choose what works best for you. First option, you can use the main Gemini app by heading over to gemini.google.com. Once you're there, you'll notice a banner at the top that says, New, try image editing with our best image model, Nano Banana. It's that straightforward. Google is making sure everyone knows about this new feature. Second option, if you're more of a developer or tech enthusiast who likes to experiment, you can use Google AI Studio. This is basically a playground for people who want to dive deeper into AI capabilities. Just head over to Google AI Studio and under the What's New section, you can select Try Nano Banana. Both methods are incredibly user-friendly and you don't need any special technical knowledge to get started. All right, enough talking about it. Let's see what this thing can actually do. I'm going to show you some real examples that will absolutely blow your mind.
I'm in the Gemini app right now, and I want to start with something fun that really showcases the precision of this technology. First, I'm going to click the plus icon to upload a file. I'm selecting this picture of a simple cap. Next, I'm uploading a second image. This time, it's a photo of Mr. Bean in his classic suit. Now, here comes the magic moment that really shows you how intuitive this system is. I'm simply going to type a straightforward prompt, make the man wear the cap. That's it. No complex instructions, no technical jargon, just plain English telling the AI exactly what I want. I'll hit send and just wait for this. Wow, look at this result. It has perfectly placed the cap on Mr. Bean's head, and I mean perfectly. The lighting has been adjusted to match the original photo, the angle looks completely natural, and the shadows fall exactly where they should. What really impresses me is that the original quality of both images has been maintained throughout this process. There's no pixelation, no weird artifacts, no obvious signs that this was AI generated. It looks like Mr. Bean was actually wearing that cap when the original photo was taken. But let's push this technology even further and see what it can really do with more complex requests. I'm taking that same image of Mr. Bean, and now I'm uploading a completely different photo. This time, it's a cool blue motorcycle. My prompt this time is going to be more ambitious. Make the man riding the bike on a desert. Now think about what I'm asking the AI to do here. It needs to take Mr. Bean, put him on a motorcycle, create an entirely new desert background from scratch, adjust his posture to look natural on the bike, and make sure all the lighting and proportions work together perfectly. Let's see what Nano Banana comes up with. And there it is. This is absolutely incredible. It has created an entirely new scene where Mr. Bean is now seamlessly riding the motorcycle through a desert landscape. Look at the integration here. It's completely flawless. His posture on the bike looks natural and realistic. The desert background appears to have been generated from scratch with stunning detail, and the lighting consistency between all the elements is spot on. This isn't just simple copy and paste editing. This is sophisticated AI understanding context, physics, and visual harmony to create something entirely new while maintaining photorealistic quality.
But wait, there's more. Let me show you something that really tugs at the heartstrings. What about restoring old photos? This is where Nano Banana really shows its versatility and emotional impact. I have this beautiful old black and white photograph of 4 children. It's the kind of precious family memory that many of us have tucked away in photo albums, full of sentimental value, but limited by the technology of its time. I'm going to upload this photo and give Gemini a simple request. Colorize this photo. Now, colorizing black and white photos is traditionally a very time-intensive process that requires artistic skill and historical knowledge about clothing, skin tones, and environmental colors from different eras. And look at this result. The photo has been brought back to life with realistic, rich colors that feel authentic to the time period. The skin tones look natural, the clothing colors seem appropriate for the era, and there's a warmth to the overall image that wasn't present in the black and white version. This is an absolutely amazing tool for anyone looking to restore and cherish old family memories. Imagine being able to take your grandparents' old photos and see them in full color for the first time. From simple edits like adding a cap to Mr. Bean's head, to creating complex new scenes with multiple elements, to bringing historical moments back to life with color, Gemini's Nano Banana is proving to be the most powerful and intuitive image editing tool available to the general public right now. What sets this apart from other image editing tools isn't just the quality of the results, although that's certainly impressive, it's the simplicity and naturalness of the process. You don't need to learn complicated software interfaces, master complex tools, or understand technical photography concepts. You simply describe what you want in plain English, and the AI understands your intent and executes it with professional-level precision. And here's the part that really gets me excited. This is just the beginning. If Nano Banana is already ranking #1 globally and performing at this level, imagine where this technology will be in 6 months or a year from now. Now here's where I really want to hear from you. The best part about all of this, you can start experimenting with Nano Banana completely free right now. You don't have to wait for a subscription plan. You don't need to sign up for a trial. You can head over to gemini.google.com or Google AI Studio and start creating immediately. What are your thoughts on this incredible new tool? Are you as excited about the possibilities as I am? What will you create with it? Will you be restoring old family photos, creating fun social media content, or maybe using it for professional projects? I'm genuinely curious about how you plan to use this technology, so drop a comment below and let me know. Share your experiences, your results, or even your questions about getting started. And if you don't want to miss out on more cutting-edge AI tools and tech updates like this one, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We're always on the lookout for the next big breakthrough to share with you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll continue exploring the amazing world of AI technology.